Hi, my name is Miguel. We'll be doing my presentation on waves. So, what is an earthquake? An earthquake is a release of energy on the earth. Under the ground we stand on, there's things called tectonic plates. These tectonic plates are always moving slowly, but they get stuck due to friction. When the stress on the tectonic plates overcomes the friction, it releases energy in waves that we feel throughout the earth, and we call this an earthquake. So, where do earthquakes occur? Earthquakes can strike at any location, but historically, it shows three main general patterns and three main areas. And the first one's the Alpine earthquake belt, the second one's the Mid Atlantic Ridge, and the third one is the world's largest earthquake belt, which has earned the name of the Ring of Fire due to all the earthquakes that happen there. So, waves. Earthquakes as a result of the results of seismic waves, and there's three major types of seismic waves. A P wave is a sound wave traveling through a rock, for example, and an S wave is a surface wave which seems to be trapped under the Earth's surface. And here's a picture of them. So, how are earthquakes measured? Earthquakes are measured using seismographs, which monitor the seismic waves that travel through Earth after an earthquake strikes. There's also something called the Richter scale that we've been using for many years, and here it is on the side. So, earthquake-proof building, it's the U.S. Bank building in L.A. It was constructed in 1989. It was the world's seventh tallest building, the nation's, my bad. And it was built to withstand an 8.3 earthquake, and the major San Andreas fault cannot produce anything larger than an 8.0 earthquake. So the case study is Fort Tejon earthquake. It was January 9th, 1857. It was of a 7.9 magnitude. It was felt for about 225 miles. It was a result of the San Andreas fault line slip, and due to the small population, it only had two people die because the population was of 1,200 people.